Yeah. I see you, Lukey. I see you. Hey, Charlotte. Where are we going, Charlotte?
I forgot what it's called.
Okay. Her? Okay.
This is 10-12, but she can still wear mine.
Yeah, that's fine.
Why is it so pretty?
Ah, it's kind of dirty right now.
Oh.
Okay, let's get in there. There? You wanna sing it?
You can try to stop the seasons, girl, but you know you never will. And you can try to stop my dancing, but don't stop on my way.
Hey guys, this is vlog number 2 that I never do. The girls are here. Is there...
Oh my gosh, okay.
So when they're here, we try to take them out. But today we're gonna grab some shrimp and probably go to Romy's because that's my favorite, unless Josh wants to check out another one. Whichever.
Yes? I do.
You have money?
I do, why?
Yes.
Do you have what?
She's like, do you have money?
And then we're gonna go to the ice palace again.
No!
Ice Palace again.
Charlotte just asked Auntie Joss if she had money. But earlier today, Char, what did you say? What did you ask me?
She said, Uncle Rap, do you have, wait, she said, Uncle Rap, I thought you don't have money. And then he said, that's why that's why Auntie Jocelyn's coming.
Oh my gosh. What are you guys having a party for?
Because we can.
Because you can.
Cheater! You were gonna do scissors, but you
So-
did rock.
We- There was some sort of traffic going on, so we made a detour and we're trying to figure out what's the quickest way. It started raining and we're just trying to find our way now, so adventure time.
No, it's not. Alright, this is where we're going. To the Snow Puffy.
All you locals know where we at. You locals know where we at. If you're from the mainland,
what that is,
then you should ask about
it.
snow puffies, because it's a thing here. No, I don't think the girls had it before, so.
No?
Chong,
Where we're
no,
heading.
chong, chong.
The destination is on your left, 66 to 945 Korkanaha Road.
We're at Hill. You can turn in after the dumpster.
Can I pick this one?
Just be careful. And then I gotta get that
I
shot.
want the pink one.
Is that
Yeah, this is the one.
parking stuff?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
you guys.
Here's one of the stops. We're gonna get Snow Puffies.
Snow puffs.
So snow puppet.
It's party time.
Watch it.
Say, where are we?
We got it from PKB. The best.
Let's go.
Right there.
For the house? For the,
She wants candy for the ride.
it's up to you.
Mango. Sweet mango slices.
Are you gonna have room for all the foods that we're eating?
Yes.
Okay.
Please don't drop it, okay?
I am.
No, on here.
Yeah. Hold on. There's tape on the side too.
Look at that. Spoken like a true veteran.
On that side.
No.
Moment of truth.
There we go. Okay.
Oh,
Look,
thank
you did a thing.
Yay.
I can take that side.
That makes sense.
How do you like this, Sarah?
Really quick.
9 plus 2.
11.
11 times 2.
22.
22 times 2.
44.
44 times 2.
88.
88 times 2.
Don't know! You know what 12 times 12 is?
143.
144.
Okay, go.
You
You guys gotta finish it, hurry.
I'm trying. First.
It's your turn.
These two teenagers just made out.
Ew.
Ew. Gross.
Made out what?
They were so hungry that
They were
they had
hungry.
to eat each other's faces.
No.
Guys, Shar
No.
gotta go.
Oh, you gotta go pee?
You gotta go pee?
Oh, okay. I gotta take you to the bathroom. No playing yet.
Whoa!
Sure. Hey, you gotta use the bathroom,
I
right?
thought you had to go pee. You said real bad.
Yeah.
It's Steve! But I must! For TV!
For TV.
Ah! What are you doing? No,
Woo!
my best one
Careful.
was right back.
We're gonna try and make it out to shrimp trucks. And hopefully we got enough battery left. Coming up soon.
To church. Yes, go to church. Ask this guy.
Oh, careful.
Edamame!
Oh, edamame. Yeah.
Please. I thought you didn't feel it.
I don't.
Thank you,
That's Jocelyn's.
Thank you, Jocelyn.
No, don't go around.
Thank you.
If you want to use that one instead.
You sure?
Should be. That should be the same sauce that some people use to dip their lumpia in.
No, it's not this challenge.
You have stuff on your mouth.
Rachel's plate.
But like half of it's on your face.
Hey, Uncle Rob, watch this.
Well, that about wraps things up for our shrimp adventures. Thanks for coming down, and this is the vlog that I never do. Okay, we're just gonna wait by. Go good. Okay, just wait by.
You wave by the camera.
Yeah, say bye. Yours are sleeping.
Are you sleepy now?
Thanks for joining us in our adventures today.
Murdered. Back here.
We're on our way home. We're all full and tired now. Girls are sleeping. I'm sleeping.
I don't want to die. Too young and beautiful.